online natin mostly mas vacant yung mga submission days.
Hi guys, so I'm editing right now for our Vlogmas 1. I just want to share with you guys that today, a while ago, since it's December 7, 2:43 a.m. So a while ago, like Wednesday, December 6, it was game 3 of UAAP or UAAP. And LaSalle won after 7 years. So congrats DLSU. So I'm wearing a LaSalle shirt, Animo LaSalle right now. And in NCAA game 1, Mapua won. So congrats. I'm so proud. Anyway, so yeah, I'm kinda editing right now. Hey guys, so I wasn't able to vlog the one while I was getting ready, but here's the fit. So I'm just wearing pants, this tank top, this is my bag for today. And today's agenda, we are going to play bowling, but I'm gonna see if I can play since I have long nails. But if not, we're just gonna play billiards. And then we are going to the museum, Anak Art Museum. There's a coffee shop also there. So, yes. Game 3 na lang bawi. Let's go kuha. Kia Adventure. Go, 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 go. Ito. Ayaw, sumapak ka na lang. Ang dami mo po, no? Me to Bella. Basher ng bedo.
Yuan, kaya mo ba to? He peed on the bottle. That's the only thing he said.
We don't do bottle. Asan ba siya right now? Why can't he just stop by a gas
He's there.
station?
He's pa daw siya looking for a parking. Like the wall.
Oh, there is a parking in Alexia.
Ano good si Job kasi pinagpapalala si John.
Daw!
2017 pa. Kung meron siya pink-hate sa'yo. Hindi ko naman siya pinaasa kasi. Ayusin mo. No! No, kasi I made it kanya. Like, harap-harapan yun, ha? Harap niya, like, sinasabi ko, on the way ako sa bahay ng ex ko, hindi ko siya pinaasa. Kasi pinag ako lahat. Umasa, sino may kasalanan? Yeah, she don't even know that. Yun ang mong pala eh. Okay, guys. Mas malaki pa rin yung feeling ko. Feeling ko mas malaki yung galit ko sa akin kaysa sa mga exes niya. Na hindi naman niya ako naging jowa, pero ganun siya.
Joseph pa?
Pero hindi naman ginawa ko kayo, no? Hindi ko kasi kanya. Si Ocean yung may, ano, diba, artisan na letter. So, ang gago kaya ni Ocean. I'll show you chat. After yun nila mag-meet na letter.
Third wheeling.